Today I am making one of my favorite breakfast recipe, Lauki Paratha. It is simple, healthy and tastes amazing. I have used one lauki for this paratha, got some ginger and garlic finely minced, some coriander leaves and kasuri methi, grated lauki. Lauki releases extra water. I have added little salt to extract that water. We will use this water for kneading the dough. Let us squeeze out all the water, otherwise the paratha will be moist and sticky. We'll use the same water to knead the atta. It already has all the flavor from the lauki. Knead it into a soft dough, then cover and keep it aside for a while. Now for the filling, I have taken some grated lauki, adding 1 tablespoon each of minced ginger and garlic. Next, a handful of chopped coriander leaves and a little kasuri methi. Few chopped green chillies for some spice. Then goes in 1 tablespoon of coriander powder and about a half teaspoon of red chilli powder. Since we have already added green chillies, I am adding just a little red chilli powder, little bit of salt and a tablespoon of gram flour. Let's check the batter now. It's quite soft. We'll take a small ball of batter, spread it a little. Add the filling and we'll close it nicely and roll it out again, just like any stuffed paratha. You can make it square, triangle, any shape. Lauki or bottle gourd is full of water and very light on the stomach. It helps keep the body cool and is perfect for summer days. It is one of those vegetables that is super healthy but often underrated. It's full of fiber, helps digestion and keeps you hydrated too. Lauki is grown across India from north to south. It loves the warm Indian climate and grows easily in kitchen gardens too. It is grown in many countries besides India, anywhere with a warm climate. It is known by different names around the world. See how softly the paratha is puffing up? That's when you know it is perfectly cooked. All parathas are ready. Now we can have them with some raita, pickle or any curry of your choice. Just preparing some raita with pomegranate and bundi. Soft, golden and full of goodness. Delicious, wholesome parathas are ready. Perfect for any meal. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed it.